Alright guys, it's Saturday, December 9th. Haven't been out in the woods in a while, actually since gun season. That last video down south. Got a couple trail cameras out here behind my neighbor's house. I checked earlier last week, had some does coming down through here and there. So on the way back there to check those, I'm going to try to get a spot to set up tomorrow morning. I'm hoping we're supposed to get some light snow today, so I'm hoping tomorrow morning I can get out in the tree. So let's head back and check our trail cameras and see what we got. Down to the creek. Right here's the tree stand. You can see that. Right here's our first camera. Had to set up. I dumped out some minerals a while ago, and looks like they're still digging in it here. Had no feeder there, but we haven't had food in there for a while. I got the other trail camera set up down the trail there. They cross the creek. There's a creek crossing right there. So sometimes if they cross, if they head out that way, I don't get them on this camera unless they come this way. So hoping either we got them here or got them down there. If we got them down there, we're gonna have to put a setup down on that side because I can't shoot from this tree stand here down there with the bow. So let's go ahead. We'll pull these cards and see what's on the camera. All right, here is the other card by the tree stand. 251, we got a doe. Squirrel, there's that young buck. Another squirrels. Couple young deer eating on that mineral spot right there that I showed you guys. Okay, it looks like there's that 8-pointer. This picture, he doesn't actually look too big. Huh. This is that nighttime photo. Hopefully, again, we got him in the daytime as well. Alright, here he is. So, okay, he come out of the middle four-wheeler path. This right here is where he's standing right now is pretty close to the four-wheeler crossing. So he didn't go down by the other camera, which means we're probably going to have to go put another setup up if we want to have a shot at him. Which, he's not bad. They got a split brow tine there. Hard to tell from the picture. But just a good, decent 8-pointer. Nothing huge. So yeah, I think it's safe to say let's go down and set a blind up in that thicket area and see if we can't get on him in the morning. Go! Snow last night. I had to go out and salt. I've been out up since 2:30 this morning. Went out and did some salting, so got home in time to get down here to the blind. So we got a nice light powder snow here on the ground. It's going to make it really easy to see these deer, which where we're going to have them coming through are going to be 10 yards. So cross our fingers and let's hope that buck comes in. That's going to wrap it up this morning. We had no deer come through here. I figured it would be a great morning with this snow, but no luck. But we got to head up a little early. My daughter's got a softball game this afternoon, so we got to get ready to head over to Columbus. But we're going to check the trail cameras behind the house where I got the Eagle Seed soybeans in the food plot. See if anything come down through there this morning. I imagine with this snow on there, they're going to start hitting that pretty hard because all the crops are off around here. So we're going to check that, and then maybe we'll climb in there tomorrow morning. see what we got on those cameras. Talk to you soon. Alright guys, here's the deal. It's Friday, December 15th here in Ohio. I'm down here in the blind behind my house. I've got this evening, and then tomorrow morning starts the 2-day gun season here in Ohio. So I'm hoping to go ahead and fill a tag here this evening. I've got 4 does that's been consistently coming down here in the morning and evening. I did set up down here this morning. Got down here just before daylight, and they were already at the feeder feeding. So I'm hoping we can catch them here before dark tonight, and hopefully we can get one of those big does. We're gonna set it out and see what happens. Alright guys, I'm back up here in the garage. It was cold this evening. We got to see some deer. There at the end, I was sitting in the blind watching those deer. They were kind of off to my left, the left of the feeder, and I hear something walking behind the blind, like I'm talking right on top of the blind. I hear it walking, all of a sudden it starts blowing. So I'm assuming it must have winded me, being just, I'm talking like 2 feet behind the blind. All the other deer started blowing, as you've seen, kind of scattered. I couldn't tell exactly what that deer was. I don't know if it was a young one or one of them older, mature does, but everything that come in tonight was the yearlings, and I think that one bigger doe, she's probably 1.5 years old. She's right there. I probably should have shot her, but I know there's bigger, mature does in the area. Plus, there's a couple bucks running around that are on the hit list, so I was hoping to see one of those. But it's going to wrap it up here for this video. Tomorrow is the 2-day gun season here in Ohio. We've got Saturday and Sunday. I'm going to have some time to set out in the morning. Don't think I'm going to make it out in the evening, and Sunday's kind of hit and miss. I don't think it's going to happen either. So tomorrow is going to be the day that I got to make it happen. So if those same deer come in, that 1.5 year old doe, she might end up getting smoked. Enjoy the video, hit the like button. If you enjoyed the channel, please subscribe. And I'm gonna head in and get something to eat and get ready for the morning hunt. I'll see you guys in the morning.